Yeah.
Number one, spread the court in particular.
Oh, they're tough. They're really tough. Just like you said, the way that they spread the court, their guards are really quick, and Des Wells and all their guys can really put on the floor and score. But to have Smartridge and Layman to stretch the floor out even more, it's all a lot of individual defense.
What did you adjust on Smotrich? Because he had 8 points in like the first 6-7 minutes, and then I don't think he had another field goal the rest of the game.
I knew he was catching and shooting it, but he's also really crafty. He's pretty quick, and he got me on a couple quick moves early, and I just had to kind of readjust. I don't think I've ever guarded him before, so it's kind of a learning curve. But just give him a step and take away a shot first, and then just give him a step, and I think I was able to bother him.
You guys have been so balanced offensively with Joe with the big second half. What did you see from him into that second half?
Oh, just his confidence. I think I ended up getting the offensive rebound, and he was naked over the top of me, and that one shot I think really got him going. And from then on out, I guess the basket just got big for me. He's a shooter, and maybe he's been struggling a little bit, but to see one go down, I know it helped his confidence out a lot.